Hey everybody, how are you? I am so happy to be back. And once again, thank you so much for all your sweet words about Bella. I want to thank you so much. It really does mean a lot to me. And thank you that I am to 13,000 subscribers. I am so excited, you guys. I really am. So what I want to do today is I'm going to be making a vignette for my kitchen, and it's going to be a spring themed vignette. You're going to really like this one. We are going to make a couple of little vignette pieces for my den and kitchen. And when I showed, oh, here we go. Like I told you, my decor, as far as in my kitchen, on my dining room table, in my family room area, is more like, kind of like a Peter Rabbit, Mr. McGregor's garden, opposed to traditional Easter decor, if you will. Now, that's not to say that my living room, in my formal living room and dining room won't be, but in this area, and you'll understand when we do the tour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little cloche that I got from Hobby Lobby, and you saw me decorate this before when I made this into a French farmhouse feel. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this lettuce that I got from Hobby Lobby. I love their vegetables. And I love the color because it goes perfect with the Mackenzie child. So I'm just going to stick that in. I'm going to add a carrot or two. I'm going to take my little Sissel bunny that I've had forever, and I'm just going to put her kind of, because she's very lightweight, so I don't think she'll bog this down too much. I'll add another carrot. Put her straight. And there you have. How easy is that? Put any kind of bunny you want. Put your lettuce if you want. If you don't, put a bunch of Easter eggs. Whatever you want. For me, this is how I wanted it because it's going with my decor. Okay, and then I'm just going to put it on top here. And I'll get the camera down in a minute, but we're going to do one more little basket. For this one, we are just going to use this wire basket. Okay, this was from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to take these little picks, and this is supposed to be sage, and this is also from Hobby Lobby. Actually, all of this is from Hobby Lobby. All right. So I'm just going to put the sage wherever I feel I want to put it. And this one is a big bushel. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to put this one here, is what I'm going to do. Then I have some potatoes from Hobby Lobby, and these potatoes look so real. I can't get over it. So I'm going to put the potatoes where I can put it by the stem here, because I don't want that stem showing. Okay? And I'm not putting any kind of, filler in this basket at all. Okay. And then I'm going to come in just right on, you know what, I'm going to take one of these potatoes out to put it up higher over here. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the little bunny. This came from Hobby Lobby, and this little bunny, little place setting bunny, but I took that little wire off of it, so I just put her here. She's so cute. And she's taking care of all of the potatoes. Then we're going to put one of these beautiful carrots that came from Hobby Lobby. Again, it looks so real. It amazes me how real their vegetables look. And when you can get these 50% off, they're well worth it, because these were $2.99, and then you take the 50% off. And then I'm going to take a couple of these little carrots and put them here. Well, that didn't take long at all, did it? If you have kind of a game plan on what you want to do, it doesn't take long at all to get some of your little things that you're going to use for your vignette. But as you can see, both of these are going to go perfectly. And just like my blooming lamp, if you followed me on that one. All right, so let me take the camera down and then I'll show you both of these, okay? Okay, so here we are. And I'm just getting closer so you can see. But this is so cute. Usually I have eggs in this wire basket. But I think this is just adorable. And this did not cost me anything because this stuff I've had since last year. So there's one of them, and you'll see where I put this, like I said, when I do my home tour for Easter in spring. Okay, so here is the other one I made, and I ended up adding another head of lettuce on this one. So there's 2 heads of lettuce with this little cutie. But isn't that adorable? And you can put anything you want. If you just wanted to put an Easter bunny, if you wanted to put something else other than an Easter bunny. But here's the lettuce, and I like it with the 2 heads instead of 1. And then there's her couple of little carrots that she's keeping extremely close to her. So there you go. There are 2 different little decorative pieces that make an adorable addition to my spring and Easter decor. And again, like I said, this I could keep up. For me, I mean, because French farmhouse, there are bunnies. So I could very well keep these up because these aren't Eastery looking, you know what I mean? They're not colorful as far as what an Easter bunny, to me anyway. But I just wanted to share that with you. So get in there, get your wire baskets that you've bought through the years for your farmhouse and put some greenery and a bunny in there, and there you go. Add a little bit of that Mackenzie child feel as far as your ribbon. You're good to go. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.